dear students, in the last video we have started chapter number 3, that is operations on large numbers. From that we have solved some sums and some are given as a homework. So let us see the next question, that is question number 3 from exercise 3rd A. What is this question number 3? See there, simplify. Just open your textbook and see question number 3, copy and simplify. See there, if you will observe the sum carefully, you will come to know there is addition and subtraction in same example. So, we have to do two operations in the same example here, means addition also and subtraction also. Last year, you have learned how to do addition and subtraction together. So, let us see how to do it. See there, if you will observe the sum carefully, you will come to know there is plus sign in between first two numbers, and from this sum we have to subtract the third number. Whenever you are going to arrange the large numbers, it is necessary to arrange them properly in the columns. That arrangement should be proper so that there will be no mistake in the answers. See, before doing the sum, first you count number of digits, okay, from each number. See, first example or first number. See, first example, first number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 8-digit number. Now check the second number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So one number is 8-digit number and the other is 9-digit number. So we have to arrange it carefully. When you are arranging large numbers, start writing them from the extreme right side so that there will be no confusion. First number you can write regular one. Okay, I have written here. See there. How can we read it? See, 2 crore 37 lakh 6,739 plus. If you will observe the next number, you will come to know here. See there, this is 52 crore 76 lakh 19,117. What I have done? I have written the first number in the regular manner, but when I am writing the next number, what I have done? I have started writing the digits from the extreme right side. That is like this, 7, 1, 1, one below another. You have to write the digits one below another in the proper columns. That is very necessary. If the arrangement will be wrong, the answer will be wrong. So that is very, very important. Okay. Now what we have to do, as I told you, see there is plus sign between first two numbers. So we will add these two numbers together. After doing the addition, we will get the sum. This sum we have to take here up, and from that sum we have to subtract the third number. Do you understand how to do it? Now see here, 9 plus 7, 16. 1 will be carry over. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 7 plus 1, 8. 6 plus 9 it is 15. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 7 plus 6, it is 13. 1 is carried here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. Again 1 will be carried here. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And this 5 will be as it is. So what is the sum? Check here. If you are not sure, you can check it one more time when you will do the sum, and then you can move for the forward. Means next step. So see there, 9 plus 7, 16. 6 is written down and 1 is carried over. See, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 7 plus 1, 8. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 will be written down and 1 will be carried. 1 plus 1, 2. 7 plus 6, 13. 3 will be written down, 1 is carry over. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 is written down, 1 is carried here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And 5 will be as it is. Now whatever the sum we got it here, that sum you have to take here for the next step, and from that sum we have to subtract the third number. So see here, 55 crore 13, without comma also you can write 13 lakh 25,856. This is the sum which we got here. Okay, you take it as it is there up, and from that we have to subtract. See, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digit number. Okay. So from this we have to see there. We have to subtract the third number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, both are 9 digit numbers, so there is no confusion. We can write it below this. See, 1, 9, 7. If both are same digit numbers, there is no confusion for writing them one below another. But if one is 5 digit, other is 6 digit, if one is 7, other is 8 digit number, then we should write it carefully. Okay? 1, 9, 7, 6, 2, 8. And last one it is 6, 3, 5. Now do the subtraction here. See there, 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 5 minus 8. From 5 we cannot subtract 8. So we'll borrow 1 from this 2. It will become 15, and 2 will be less by 1, that is 1. From 1 can we subtract 2? No. So again we have to borrow 1 from this 3. So this 1 will become 11 and 3 will be less by 1, that is 2. From 2 can we subtract 6? No. So again 2 will become 12 by borrowing, and this 1 will become less by 1, that is 1 minus 1, 0. From 0 we cannot subtract 7. So 0 will become 10. And this 5 will become 4. But from 4 we cannot subtract 9. Again we have to borrow from this 5. That is, it will become 14. And this 5 will become less by 1. That is 4. When you are borrowing from the number which is to the left hand side, it will become less by 1. Try to understand this. Maybe you have learnt it in class 2nd, in class 3rd. Only this is regarding the large numbers. So do it carefully. Okay, 15 minus 8, 7, 11 minus 2, it is 9, 12 minus 6, it is 6, 10 minus 7, it is 3, 14 minus 9, it is 5, and 4 minus 1, it is 3. So this way we got the answer. See, 35 crore, 36 lakh, 97,221. It will be the correct answer. If you want to take a snapshot, you can take it in between. Now let's see the second example. Here, after this we will do the next one. Here, you do along with me. See there, we are doing example B here. If you will see it carefully, see there. Here, first two numbers for addition, then third number for subtraction, and again the last number for addition. So what to do here? Here, 37, 51, 867 plus 85, 96. As these are the large numbers, I will note down it properly here. 1789 minus 599 67 843 plus 8752 564. Check here. See here, first two numbers addition, from that again subtraction, and again addition. Instead of this, what can we do? See there, we can add the numbers which are there for the addition. See there, first two numbers plus last number. We will do the addition of first 1, 2 and this last number, that is 3 numbers. And from that sum, we can do the subtraction of this number. Check here what I am telling. See, take these two numbers and the last number for addition. Okay. And then whatever the sum we will get, from that we will subtract this number which is with minus sign. So let us see how to do it. Step 1. Take these three numbers for addition. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8-digit number. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7-digit number. So 7, 8 and 7-digit number. So I will write it properly here. 3, 7, 5, 1, 8, 6, 7. And now you check. This is 8-digit number. So I will write it from extreme right side. 9, 8, 7, 1, 6, 9. This is 1, 6, 9. And this 5, 8. 5 and 8. And the last number, see, 4, 6, 5, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, and this is 8. Okay. Means here all are not of same digits. So we should write it carefully when you are arranging them. Okay. Now do the addition of these three numbers. And whatever sum we will get, we will write it up. From that we will subtract the number which is at the third position here. Okay. Here 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 4, it is 20. 2 will be carried. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 6, that is 22. Again 2 will be carried. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 5, that is again 22. 2 will be carried here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Now 5 plus 6, 11. 11, you can do like this. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 1 can be carried here. 1 is carried here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 10. 17 plus 7, that is 24. 2 is carried over here. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Okay. Now 1 will be carried here up. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. After doing the addition, we get the sum here. See that what is the number here? 9 crore 84 lakh 66,220. Okay. This is the sum which we got after doing the addition of these three numbers. Now, if you want to check it once again, your addition is correct or not, once you can go through it. See, 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 0 is written down, 2 is carried up. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 6, it is 22. 2 will be written down, 2 is carried over here. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 5, that is 22. 2 is written down, again 2 is carried over here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 6 is taken down and 1 is written up. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 14. This is 7 plus 7, 14. That is 24. 4 is written down. 2 is carried up. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 8 is written down. 1 is carried over here. 8 plus 1, 9. So the sum is correct. Now take it forward. That is 9 crore 84 lakh 66,220. Okay. Minus. Now check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8-digit number. From that we have to subtract this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So both are 8-digit numbers. So there is no problem while arranging the number. 5, 9, 9, 6, 7, 8, 4, 3. Do the subtraction now. Whenever the large numbers are there, little bit we have to be careful and do. See, from 0 can we subtract 3? No. So 0 will become 10 by borrowing from this 2. 2 will become less by 1, that is it will become 1. From 1 we cannot subtract 4, so I will do it 11 here. And here again this 2 will become less by 1, that is 1. From 1 can we subtract 8? No, again borrow from this 6, 1. Okay, this 6 has given 1, so it will become less by 1, that is 5. From 5 can we subtract 7? No. So again borrow from this 6. 6 has given 1, so it will become less by 1. It will become 5. From 5 can we subtract 6? No. Again 5 will become 15. So 4 will become less by 1, that is 3. From 3 can we subtract 9? No. So make it 30 and make this 8 7 less by 1, that is 8 will become less by 1, that is 7. 7, from 7 we cannot subtract 9, so it will become 17 and 9 will become less by 1, that is 8. See, this is everywhere we have done the borrowing. Okay. Whenever you are borrowing something from the digit which is to the left hand side, it is giving 1 means it will become less by 1. So 9 has been here 8. Okay. 10 minus 3, 7. 11 minus 4, 7. 11 minus 8, 3. 15 minus 7, 8. 15 minus 6, 9. 13 minus 9, 4. 17 minus 9, 8. And 8 minus 5, it is 3. Check here. So the answer will become 3 crore 84 lakh 98,377. See, the sums are taking little more time, but if we do it carefully, there will be no mistakes. Okay. So easy sums are there, addition and subtraction. Only the numbers are large, so sometimes we may feel it is difficult. But if you will go stepwise properly, there will be no chances of getting the mistakes here. See, this way here we have completed question number 3, copy and simplify. Okay. Question number 4, that is fill in the boxes with correct digits. That will be the homework. Okay. So exercise, see here I am writing here homework. See, exercise 3rd A, question number 4. You try question number 4 from this exercise as a homework. In the next video, we are going to take word problems, that is question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are remaining for addition and subtraction. Okay. These word problems are related to addition and subtraction that we will do in the next video. Thank you.